Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about UiPath Orchestrator. So what is an UiPath Orchestrator? It is nothing but a web-based application that is provided by UiPath which helps in managing, monitoring and controlling UiPath robots and its processes. It is a very important tool that helps in orchestrating RPA processes at a large scale. Let us now talk about key features of UiPath Orchestrator. First is robot management. It helps in deploying, monitoring and managing our robots. Then is process management. We can schedule our bots, workflows management, handling versioning. Everything is done on UiPath Orchestrator. We can also schedule our jobs, queue management, which is very useful in certain use cases. We can manage access, control and permission for users and their roles. We can also monitor our bots on UiPath Orchestrator. We can view the logs and analytics on robot performance. We can integrate other applications with UiPath Orchestrator. We can also manage our assets and credentials on the same. This is how the home page of UiPath Orchestrator looks like. As you can see, we have a default tenant created over here for us. And in next slide we will be seeing what exactly is a tenant and how the folder works. So just like we have tenants in a house, UiPath tenant works in the same way. It is nothing but an instance of UiPath Orchestrator which helps in managing the different environment and workspaces. So we can have different environments in same orchestrator. Let us now see the difference between tenant and folder. Tenant is a separate isolated environment within UiPath Orchestrator. It has its own set of resources, configuration and users, whereas a folder is a subdivision within a tenant. It helps in organizing resources within a tenant. Tenant have their own user roles and permission, whereas for folder, it helps in managing resources more granularly. Resources like robots, processes, queues are completely isolated between tenants, whereas permission settings are inherited from tenants in the folder level, but can be customized at folder level. Let me help you with an example over here. Imagine there is a company and it has HR department, IT department, accounts department. So here we can have 3 different tenants for different environment, which is development, quality and production. And each tenant can have different folders to isolate resources within them. Thank you.